How to use Lusha on LinkedIn. First things first, when you log into the dashboard, go ahead and install the extension. It'll open up on the Chrome Web Store. Click on Add to Chrome, and then click on Add an extension. It will start downloading it automatically. So as you can see, it is currently installing. For now, go ahead and search for, something. Let's do this name, and then I'll go ahead and pin this extension to my Chrome. Now let's see, we have some people here. We have Samuel Adams. He's a video production specialist. Let's do this person right here, head of marketing. I'll open him up in a new tab. And let's go ahead and open up Lusha as well. And it should redirect me to LinkedIn, and the extension will be installed right here. So let me pause this for now. So we wait it out for a little bit. As you can see, we don't have an extension yet. It should load up right here. And then I'll show you how we can use this to basically go ahead and get everyone's emails and do some prospecting. So I'll open this guy up in a new tab, and we should get an extension pop up right here to show that Lusha is working. So we'll wait for this to load up, and there we go. It has finally installed. Click on Got It, Let's Go. And now what you can do is you can see their email right here. You can go ahead and click this to send an email directly, or click on copy. And we have another person right here, Beverly Poole. We can click on this, and now you can click here to show their contact, and you can contact them via their phone number as well. It's really that easy and simple, guys.